Hello folks, this is Lakeview channel. My name is Martin. Today we are at the Lakeside Park and the mouth of Lake River, and we use float fishing and use the live minnow, the large fat-head minnow, and we hook the mouth to see if we catch any fish. I don't know if the white bass moving or white bass already leave, so we see if we catch some fish. So get the a large white bass, we hook it, throw the mouth from the bottom lips to the top lips, the hook through, and then we see if we catch fish. We put it in the water to see. Here we go. We see if we catch fish. We also post this spoon, it's kind of a spoon, and we see if we catch some fish. Right now it seems it's used a little bit, it's slow, it's very kind of slow, so we just cast it to see it. Very unlucky. Right now we cast the crackbait. It's a shad. So we have a flake shad, as we see. I'll try here for a little while, and there's no bait, so we move to the western water outlet to see if there's a fish over there. So we go. Okay, we use a drop shot rig. We will hook some 2 minnows. Get a minnow, and we put the. We hook it to, this time we hook it to the fin. So this way the minnow will live longer. Goes the dorsal fin, we go through it. Try not to hurt the spine or the fish will die. So we just get another one. Maybe get a bigger minnow. Minnow too small. Okay, get a big one. A fat one. Okay, get this one. We also hook it to the dorsal fin, on the dorsal fin, or behind dorsal on the dorsal fin. We cast it. You see, it would be like this. The fish, be like this. One is the fish and the other fish, and then the weight, medium bottom. Let's see. Let's see if we have unlucky. Yeah, just caught a crappie, and it's pretty cool. I changed the spot, and it's a beautiful crappie. So here we go. We put the minnow on. There's drop shot and a float with a float. Then we see and wait. We see more lucky. Better than after anything. There we go. We just wait. It's kind of slow. We just wait. Whoa. It's a small nothing. Not very big, probably 21, 22. It's small nothing. Small nothing. I think probably 20. I think 20, probably 21, 20.
What did you catch it on?
Minnows.
Okay.
Yeah, you mean I'll put it back.
Nice.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, we let it go. Okay, that is nothing. We use the float to fishing and use the minnow, live minnow, the fat head minnow, and it works. And I just caught a nozzle. It's probably just 20-21 inches. Yeah, it's fight hard. It's good. So I will just stay here and try to catch some fish. Yeah, I fished it for 4-5 hours. And I use a live bait and caught the crappie, northern pike. It's pretty slow today. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And thanks for your watching. See you next time. Here we go.